Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go to a customer's house and paint a wall and do some repair type stuff that he needs done before he sells his house. So I decided to go ahead and do a video of us painting the wall for you and see if you guys like that. Didn't get to do a video of the second coat, but I did get a video of us putting the blinds and stuff back on and the finished product. So here it is. And done. I also wanted to give you guys an update on the farm stuff. None of the goats have given birth yet. They are enjoying their new feeder that we built them. And the new goats that we got, the two new goats and our new deck are fitting in very nicely. We did split up our herd so that now there's two herds, and the little new buck is running with some of the girls and then all of the baby wethers. So we're still waiting on babies. I'm thinking hopefully maybe we can get some around Valentine's Day would be cool. But I know for sure that June is not pregnant, so I put her with the new buck. And Patsy, I'm still not sure about. Sweetie, I believe she's pregnant, but she's not as far along as Valentine and Loretta. And I'm thinking Loretta or Valentine should be kidding here anytime between now and Valentine's Day. And tomorrow is the 1st of February. So hopefully soon. I know you guys really want to see some babies. Me too. So in this video, I wanted to show you guys another project we completed this week. It's a bathroom tile remodel that Ryan did, and I just helped him with a little bit of the painting. Another super exciting thing that's happened in the last week or so is we got a new animal on the farm, and her name is Pepper, and she is actually an indoor, well, technically in captivity she's an indoor animal, but she's a leopard gecko. So I'll show you guys right now what she's all about, and she is super duper cute. Let's see if Pepper's hungry. Pepper. Yum. Ooh, la 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 la. She really loves crickets, but she also loves superworms. I haven't tried anything else with her yet, but she absolutely loves those two things. And she is adorable while eating them. Look at how cute she is. I'm already so hooked on leopard geckos. I'm like so in love with her that I already want like 5 more, and I want to breed them and this and that. And Ryan, of course, is like, whoa, slow down here. Let's think about this. So that dust that you see rising is actually her calcium powder, and it's a good vitamin for her to have. Oh, look at how beautiful she is. Look at those eyes. She's just so pretty. I'm such a lucky girl because Miss Pepper was actually my Valentine's Day gift from my love, Ryan. Thank you, baby.